I sincerely hope that this stops before I have to go. Look at it. The weather I'm dealing with at the moment. Rain, rain and more rain. That's how drenched I am. Starting to question why I even came in today. The top half of me's fine, it's because I'm wearing a snapback and a hoodie, but why did I even come in? The thing about today is, hopefully all of sixth form are watching the England match, so there's going to be a really good atmosphere around that match. Just realised something insanely stupid of me. I left the front pocket of my bag open all the way here, so I don't know what was in it, but whatever was in it has probably fell out, and it's also probably wet. So England won. Look who it is. That is me, 6 years ago. The garden is underwater. The front garden. Uh-oh. My heading. Always stops itself from recording.
Oh, Mike, kept doing that at the concert.
Does it all the time. It's the one critique I have with this phone. This is our back garden. Wow. I can't wait to see it all underwater.
What's going to go in that?
In what?
In
the shed. The shed's got no floor anyway.
Wait, doesn't it?
No.
Oh, I'm stupid.
It'll be all up the garden if it carries
Can I
on,
go for
right?
a swim?
Right, I'm recording this on the point and shoot. Wow. That deck chair is fully submerged. Holy crap, this is our back garden. You guys see it a lot. Oh my god. Bridget, your scooter's nearly underwater. Still. Oh no, but it's nearly underwater.